guys, we are now here in Pasig, Instancia Mall. So I'm just taking a picture here. Dito, pasok tayo. Anong masasabi mo? Naglalamog kasi kami guys. So for 3 bookings lang ata yun, o 4 bookings. More than 2 hours. O more than 3 hours ata. And because kaulan nun sa labas guys, so ang ginawa namin is we stop booking. So the reason why we are here. So thank you guys for watching.